Hello, I'm Sarita Helawat of BotLab Dynamics. We have a startup incubated at IIT Delhi. We have built technology for drone light shows. We are the first group with such a capability. Let me take a moment and introduce drone light shows to you. Drone light shows are becoming hugely popular across the world. What it means is essentially hundreds of drones flying in the sky simultaneously in very interesting formations, and each drone is fitted with LED light. So you can also consider drone light shows to be new kind of fireworks without the pollution. So there are several commercial applications of drone light shows also, for example launch of a movie, product, or in festivals. So in India, so far only 3 drone light shows have happened. One was for the launch of a movie called Brahmastra, second on the occasion of Guru Parv, third on the launch of phone by Oppo. And in all these 3 different occasions, the drones were brought in India either from China or Russia. So what is it that at BotLab we have done? We have built our own drone and also the software that goes along with it. We have built our own flight controller, precision GPS and motor controller. These innovations has allowed us to reduce the cost of drone by 1/3. So our drone falls in the category of nano drones according to DGCA, the regulatory body in India, which allows us to do these shows anywhere with very minimal restrictions. And we are also in the process of getting certification for our drone from ICAT in Manesar, Gurgaon. And here is a video to show you where we are currently. So you're looking at here in this video 16 drones that are flying simultaneously operated by a single user. And as you can see, these drones are flying very stably, even the landing is very smooth. And on the right side, you're looking at the first fleet of 50 drones that we have built. And we are in the middle of building our first fleet of 100 drones. And once we have the fleet ready, this is something we want to achieve in just next couple of weeks. So if you look at the commercial opportunity is huge for drone light shows in India of more than $200 million. We see our potential customers fall into 3 different categories: B2B, B2C and B2G. In B2B category, we looking at on the occasion of like movie launch, TV series or IPL ceremony. B2C is a smaller business where the weddings and birthday parties are considered, and B2G with the number of drones are required is a lot more. For community Diwali celebration, New Year's, the number of drones asked from us is somewhere between 500 to 1000. So we do realize that drone light show concept is new for India, so we will have to invest significantly our time and energy in concept marketing, showcasing our technology and advertising on social media. And simultaneously we will be continue building our fleet of drones and identify our customer, take our technology to them, and also establish commercial partnership with the people in media and entertainment industry. So we mostly see ourselves as service-based startup, and we are planning to charge our clients somewhere between 5 lakh to 5 crore based on the number of drones that we will be using. And we can do this by establishing more and more partnership with our business partners in media and entertainment industry. We aim to do light shows not just in India but internationally too, for example in Bangladesh, Nepal or Sri Lanka. With our plan, we are hoping to have a revenue of around 100 CR in next 5 years. This is little bit more about our plan. A typical drone light show of 150 costs around 1.5 crore. The margins can be huge if you own the fleet, and even if you share the profit, your margins are still very high. A single drone costs around 50,000 rupees including operations and manpower. So to build a first fleet, you don't need more than of 150 drones, 1 CR. Here's a little bit about us. The BotLab was founded by Tanmay, Anuj and I. We 3 share deep passion for building technology in India. Both Tanmay and Anuj are IIT Delhi graduates. I have PhD from US. We are regularly mentored by our mentors, Mr. Pankaj Thakkar and Professor Ram Ramaswamy. So we are aiming to raise 3.5 crores. With that, we are planning to build a fleet of 500 drones And with that, we are quite confident that we can do around 20 shows in India in 2021 and build a revenue of 3 crore just in the first year itself. With that, I would like to say thank you so much for your time.